someone you run for your life. I mean, the new madam when you carry come back this night, she don't turn to python. Won't swallow.
Keep quiet. When did you buy and start training a pussycat without telling me?
Pussy guinea? Oh, forbid me. Pussy. Ha! Pussy will be Range Rover Sport. I've been a helicopter for winches. I beg, sir. If na cause, I beg. With due respect, sir. Back to center.
John Paul.
Sir?
If I have to knock your head again, I swear I will use stone.
Jesus. Stone? What do you can use knock me before? Because now not be stone you use. Now this thing can't pay me like this, okay? Now if you use I mean little Chineke. Okay, because
shut up, John Paul.
Sorry, sir.
Are you telling me you've not been hearing a pussycat mewing in this compound tonight?
Ha! Now I see they here. Now I never carry my phone. Go express road. Go there, go sleep in peace. Ha! Okay, I don't hear anything. No. As I dey here, I don't hear anything. I don't hear anything.
How would you hear? No, tell me, how would you hear when all you do is to eat my food and sleep? You think I pay and house you to sleep? Yeah? You are the security man here, but every now and then, me, your guy, is more at alert than you. All you do is sleep and eat.
Okay, this is the way you talk, no be true. This is the way you talk now, you don't follow me. Okay, I beg. I beg you with my grandpapa. We're gonna real kill. Since they come a long time ago, they beg you make you calm down. You just calm down. Make you no go kill innocent person. I dey innocent. And for a lot, I die a lot. A lot not my second name for this compound, I dey tell you. Okay. You sure say na pussy noise you hear? Maybe meow pussycat you hear. No. You know, say this man wey dey here, this is our leper, dey marry new wife. At any time, we the oga man on top of am. You know say I dey na only me they watch everywhere. They hear the woman, and the woman gets strong voice. Anytime we oga dey give a tap, the woman go dey shout. The thing go dey pain and dey sweet am. So that force wey be say you won't resist am, the thing go dey comot more. You go think you call the hear that you go think.
You are really beyond redemption. Enough of your stupid talks. Let's go and look for that pussycat now.
We still dey talk about the pussy. See, okay, fine, okay. Me and pussy no be mate. I beg you. Now reach here now. So where will you find am?
Go that way.
This way over.
Go towards that direction. Make sure you find it. Go.
Yeah, pussy. Where you there now? Pussy, come out. No be. Oga, pussy. Which side? I don't find a good side. I don't see pussy.
What are you doing?
And they find the pussy now. And they search everywhere.
Listen real good. Make sure you find that pussycat. Else, don't sleep.
Oga, I don't even tell the pussy say you want marry wife for her. Say no be kill, you want kill her. Nah, I don't tell this man say no be pussy. See that this man will marry no wife. Anytime when the man dey on top of the woman, chawa, the woman go dey. Yeah? Now maybe managing director for bedroom soundtrack hearing industry limited. But if I tell this man no go here, When everybody don't sleep, only me there alive here, they walk out. And they hear, if I hear morning, oh, wow, they done. I will hear that man too when even this old woman and the old man where they pretend like say they know they do, and they hear them. When the man done the knock, they hear you the money no more, and they hear the woman, that the old woman who he come to this woman where we voice get tiny, where they do.
The meaning of this nonsense? Huh? Why my compound and why this night? Meow, 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 meow. I thought the moment Jiggy. Or am I being too superstitious about this? This might be a poor genuine cat. Whatever.
It's morning already. I'm coming.
Morning, how are you? Hope you slept well.
Yes, I did.
Sorry I woke you up early. I have a business meeting, so I'm somehow in a hurry.
Oh, okay, sir.
You can leave anytime you want. I left some money on the dining table for your transport and maybe buy bread for your parents.
Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate it. God bless you.
You're welcome. Feel free. Don't leave in a hurry. You can even make breakfast, okay?
Thank you, sir.
In case we don't see you again, my regards to your parents.
Thank you, sir. Best of luck. Oh, no. Oh, it's already 7:30. Oh, I want to sleep now. Feel free and relaxed. I'm not in a hurry. So go.
Jump up. Jump up.
Stop. Good morning, sir.
Morning, how are you?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Open the gate for me.
Sorry, sir. You don't feel that meow pussycat. I mean, you don't finally carry and go inside last night. Have you?
Come. Take this bag and keep for me. Listen, there is time for everything. The next time you joke with me in the morning, I will cut off your head and have it for dinner.
Village people, what if it is that? What I do with the village people? It's too early now. How did too early? Oga. I be person only picking. I be person only picking. Only son. I be person only son, sir.
Will you shut up? Outdated fool. Now listen real good. Before I come back from work, make sure you find that cat and throw it far away from this compound. If you must know, I don't like cats.
Oga, no just change the color, give me. Tell me I see be. You understand? No, only me and you there for this compound. No change and color.
Meaning what exactly?
Go now. You know now, you know say me self know too. Your fear, your fear for them pass your hate for them, and waiting your fear for them take pass your hate for them. Be like from here reach Akwanga on a camp with leg. Well, me I know. Well, it's nothing to form for sure. Me too. They fear and pass. I fear and pass. If India Bakeleke. Anima with the motor and the plane too for winches. But God go finally settle in quarrel. That's for his head. God go finally settle in quarrel between him and devil. And for his head.
Employing you was a mistake. If you don't want me to settle that quarrel between God and devil on your head, go and open that gate before you suffocate me with your fucking body odor. Shut up and open the gate. Now go on. Yeah? My friend, shut up and open the gate for me. Coconut head. I said shut up and open the gate. It's an order. I said shut up and open the gate.
I trusted him, but he broke my heart. I can't believe it's real. I can't believe this is true. Shimo.
Hello? John Paul?
Yeah, I do it.
Yeah, what is it? Good morning.
I get info. I get info for you.
What?
And I tell you, if you hear this info, I do it. If you hear this info, I swear to God, one of your ears can happen. That's you will lose your left ear. And I tell you. Now for this house, the whole film play from last night till this morning. And I'll come back here, I be the leader talk. I tell you, God punish the devil. But I'm so idiot.
My Michael. Yeah, what happened? Tell me, what happened?
Wait, everybody, wait. Promise me first. No, promise me say you no go tell Oka. Say na me tell you. Bah, promise me first. Just promise me first. Good. Oga, you hear me? Yes. Oga carry the girl when in the train for school when he was married. Come back last night.
Where? John Paul, wait. Are you serious?
And I tell you, if you see this girl na cop herself, na cop already. You don't become cop and I be say you don't graduate. Na cop short. Hey, come on, short. And the girl. And I tell you.
When? John Paul, are you joking or you're serious?
If you see this girl, Atimore, from what I say last night till this morning, I feel sure that this girl will go one word in 2 weeks' time. No be you at all. And I tell you, if you see this girl, if you see this baby, if you see her shape, if you see this baby, even say, na the same bedroom, na the same bed two of them sleep last night.
John Paul, are you joking or you're serious?
If you hear this bedroom soundtrack, you go know say you know Zubby, you're also the learn. Sorry, I don't use my. What to be this? I think I no verse I beg. Sorry, I don't use myself. When they tell you say I did the hear one and they do. I say I always did the hear one and soundtrack. No verse I beg. But truth be told, if you hear this girl soundtrack.
John Paul, are you joking or you're serious? What do you mean you cannot give me the whole information? Because of 5k? Me that always dash you money. Don't I give you money all the time? I dash you money to keep a tab on Michael. Tell me who comes to the house, who visits him, what he does and what he doesn't do. I give you money all the time. So now because you're telling me to give you money again before you give me all the information. After everything I've done. Okay, that's fine. I'll give you 5k. I'll give you 5k. Just tell me everything. I want to hear everything. What? Where? She's in the house. Wait. Hold on. The girl is still there like right now? Are you serious? Where's Michael? Where is he? Is he there? Is he in the house? That's fine. It's okay. Just Auntie, please do me a favor. In case Michael calls you, don't even tell him that you've spoken to me today. Don't tell him that you've said anything to me. Don't even tell him that you've heard from me. You hear me? And that girl, what's her name? The girl, whoever is there, keep her in that house. Make sure she does not go anywhere. See, if you don't do that, I will not give you a 5k. Lock her in, even if she tries to go out. Don't allow her leave that place till I get there. Did you hear what I said? Don't allow her leave that place till I get there. You hear me, John Paul? I said don't allow her leave that house till I get there.
It go happen today. What go happen for this house today? I tell you. Today not today. 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 Today not You go happen today. You what the thought is that today go happen. And they tell you, I'm going to here for this house. God. Oh God, this life, man. You saw these people, all these men, what did they call Michael? Like Burger. Anybody will be saying name like Michael. Can you also do Michael, Emmanuel, Bright follow. Yes, Bright follow. Victor. The name they there. Solomon. Solomon what I was. Wow, Solomon. Samuel. David. Anyone want to remember? Because Godwin Day. Can you continue? Ambrose, yes. No, it is sweet for native for village Mbolo. So the thing about village with the Mbolo. All these men. If I still remember any other one, can you console? If I still remember, all these men, they sabi pretend like sent die. Say that they be sent. Not to know say to cheat them build for them, but that's they just carry cheat build them put them God. I don't know God whether a God or an apprentice a God the way they would do man the way they call all these people I call names. They carry cheat put for them, but they didn't build. That's as in build. So they carry a gun a put one. But I'm telling you cheating now they put one. It go happen for no, and I go there alive. It go happen. And when they come, they come with proper war. Once she just enter, wow! But that's like wait, hold it. And when the first, once he allowed me the money now, there I go just I best make you can hear this one. Give me the money before boss boss go start. Before boss boss go start. I go just hear go dey. Go just dey hear it. It's like pa pa pa.
I trusted him, but he broke my heart. I can't believe it's real. I can't believe this is true.
Yes, coming.
Shimo!
Gina, what are you doing in my house? What the hell are you doing in my house?
Frank, please calm down. Please. I came to find out if you've been able to speak with Debbie. I called her a couple of times. She rejected my calls and later blocked my line.
Gina, that is exactly why you're here. She blocked my line too. You can now go ahead and throw your celebratory party. Okay? You succeeded in ruining my friendship, my relationship with Deborah. Congratulations.
Frank, I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry.
Get out of my face.
Frank,
Get out of my house. Don't ever want to see you again. Don't you ever step your filthy legs into my house again. Get out! You destroyed my life. You destroyed my relationship. You destroyed everything I have. I'll strangle you to death.
I can't believe it's real. I can't believe this is true. Shimo! Trusted him, but he broke my heart. I can't believe it's real. I can't believe this is true. Shimo!
He go happen today. Russia and Ukraine war will happen live in this compound. Now. That's good. I don't go buy my popcorn. I don't buy my popcorn. Keep going. It will happen.
I trusted him, but he broke my heart. I can't believe it's real. I can't believe this is true. Shimo!
Get out of my way! My first.
Is something wrong?
We agree that. Come on, get out! We promise me.
Take. Where is she? Where is that fool? Get out! Where is that idiot? Excuse me! Where is she?
As he defend them, he defeat us. He defend them, he defeat. It will not happen. Chile, you create war. As he defend them, he defeat us.
Where is that bitch? Where is that bitch? Oh! Oh! And you bitch, you have the guts to come in here to my man's house and you're even wearing his t-shirt. What guts? Like, what impetus? For real?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, my foods. Can you tell me what is good about this morning? Anyway, by the time I am done with you, you will understand why this morning is good. You have the guts to come to my man's house. How dare you? Sense. You fool. You have the guts to come into my man's house. What are you trying to do? To stop my wedding? You think you can do that? I don't care. This is little. I'll do more to you if you're not careful. Why, fool? You have the guts to. You want to stop my wedding to Michael? Is that what you intend to do? Fool. Idiot. I must get married to Michael in 2 weeks. Oh, you husband snatchers. God punish you. Rubbish. Rubbish. Nonsense. You think you can come to my house? You want to destroy my wedding? All you useless girls looking for where to scatter. You have failed. Fool. When you're tired, you get up and go to the hospital yourself because I won't take you to the hospital.
Madam. Madam.
Fool.
Madam.
Says her rights. Nonsense.
Come. See blood. Blood.
She fainted. Let her faint there. See, I want her to be a guest at the intensive care unit while I wed Michael in church. Yes, in 2 weeks. She will be in the hospital. She will learn her lessons. Next time, she will trespass.
Jesus.
Nonsense.
Madam, you don't keep us though. You don't keep us though. Madam, this guy.
Hey, she just fainted. I beg, stop making noise. Get up!
You don't keep us no, madam.
Get up, my friend.
Oh, you don't upset. Get up.
I said get up.
And they say don't keep me. They say don't get up. Person don't die though. Person won't not die. They kick up. You don't. Nah, go on. What do you please? Madam, what do you carry? What do you carry in the camp? Now, one day how about you?
No, just this my shoe. Just the shoe, just small. I don't even do anything. I just scratch small on her head. That's all.
You just do.
Just small.
Small scratch.
Yes.
Madam, you be politician. No, this politician and they lie. Carry lie so close. No. Now this is not can. You just play.
I was even joking.
Very joking. 9 blood. 9 blood they flow come up for her head like this, like open worker July rainfall. See blood, you don't keep us no. Chideke with this girl don't die. Madam, you don't kill innocent people.
She's not dead now.
You don't kill innocent pikin. Hey.
What are we going to do now? What are we going to do, Jump out? What are we going to do? I don't want to be arrested for murder. I don't.
Which let me get that question. Let me ask me what I follow the killer. I follow the killer. Madam, don't keep person. This girl don't have a hand.
Maybe she's not dead now. Maybe let's take her to the hospital now. Maybe she's not really dead. Let's take her to the hospital now. Let's do something. Jump out, do something now.
Compassion. Hey, this guy don't die. No, you don't keep us. What if this time, madam? Which can be this one?
I only just.
You only just. No, just. Why you not Sokoto? Eh? Why you not slap this girl? Why you not just give a slap? Wow. Or if slap they had you give a very big cock, right? Are you okay? Sorry.
Are you trying to talk me?
No. They're trying to tell you what you do now. You go use coin. See this girl is not me. No.
Honey! Mom!
Oh, who is that? Ebo! Baby! Baby!
Huh?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, baby! Ebo! Where is your luggage?
The bike man I was coming back with, his bike had fault. Yes, Omi, can you help me with 200 naira so I can complete the money I have, so I can pay the bike man to pay
I
my
have
luggage?
200. I have it. I think I have it.
Thank you. How's Daddy?
He went to Grandma's Ojugo's house to get St. Leaf that he wants to use in preparing your pepper soup. Or Imanchawana, St. Leaf. And you know I'm preparing her soup too for you. Because I know that is your favorite soup. What is it, my daughter? Debbie, what happened?
Nothing, Mommy.
Is anything the matter?
No, I'm fine. Let me go and get my luggage.
Yeah, let me go with you.
No. I'm fine. I can do it alone.
Okay, in that case, let me go back to the kitchen. You know, I'm preparing your favorite for her soup. Your dad and I, we are seriously preparing for you. We want to feed you like a baby today.
Okay, Mommy, I'll be back shortly.
Alright, please go and come back, while I go quickly to finish what I'm doing.
Akwachano maka tiero kukaki ijuwa mo Okamuna ijuwa sije Muni juwa sije Ewumochi Okamuni je sije Okamuna ijuwa sije Muni juwa sije Ewumochi Oya mira mamo See this
Babe, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. Okay, I'm sorry. I know that no matter how much effort Gina put in to seduce me, I shouldn't have fallen for her. Okay, I should have reported her to you. So I don't know what came over me, I swear. Please forgive me.
It's okay. I've forgiven you.
What?
I've forgiven you and Gina.
Babe, you forgiven me?
Yes. Mistakes happen. So get up.
Thank you so much, babe. What? Babe? 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 What sort of a dream was that? She disappeared? I wanted to hug her and she disappeared?
I am sorry. I know I hurt you so bad. I shouldn't have allowed the demon that took over me to succeed where your fiancé is. I have betrayed you. And I am deeply sorry. Please forgive me.
It's okay, Gina. I've forgiven you.
Oh my God. Are you serious? Wait, you mean you've forgiven me? Baby, you're such an angel. Thank you. Thank you so much. Where did you go to?
Is that necessary now, Gina? Listen, I want to spend some more time with you before I go back to my village. Okay. So you just go wait for me at the lodge. Let me quickly go and get something for your cousin at the village.
No, I'm not doing anything. Let's go together.
No. Just be making noodles for me. I'm hungry. I'll be back in a jiffy.
Are you sure? Alright, we'll see in the lodge then.
Okay, bye.
Alright, take care.
What are we going to do? This is, I'm in deep shit right now. This is a deep mess. Michael warned me, he warned me about this, my erratic jealousy. He warned me about this, my irrational behavior, but I didn't listen. Now look at what he has put me into. Jumper, what do we do? What do we do?
He said,
what are we going to do?
What do you mean? What are you going to do? You are who? You are who? No, you are who now?
Me and you now. It's not me and you. Was it not you that called me? If you had not called me to come here, would this have happened? If you had shut up that your useless mouth, would this have happened? I would have been in my office now working. It was you that called me. Why did you call me? Why?
Chineke, madam, now you be this. So you won't carry the blame now put my head, Abi? You won't carry? Oh, how now? How? Okay, fine. Yes, fine. I call you, say, Oga, carry person come. Nobody they give me money. Nobody they give me money. Say, in case Oga carry person come back, I call you. I say, I now see person, Oga carry person come, now go I call you. As I call you, come. I tell you, say, make you carry your head. This your tongue shoot that big bore for her head. Yeah? Which go out of this now? Yeah? You just go, fine. As you enter here, why you not calm down? Wow. First of all, call him. As I'm supposed to say, hey, who be you? As I want to do things. Mba. You just go, you never ask questions. You go carry yourself, like Kano Hamatam way. Go keep person here. Yeah? You know whether or not relation, you know? If I ask you now whether you know her name, you fit? Yeah? Which kind of nonsense be this now?
How dare you? How dare you? How dare you try? How dare you try to pin this on me alone? How dare you? Do you want to die?
Me die?
If you say one word here, I will kill you too. Right now, and you die here now. Do you want to die? Do you want to die? Answer me. Do you want to die?
Me die. Me your poor die. To fear what? To fear what? Me die. Leave my change for my ashawo customer. We see they owe me we see they owe me panu. 1 powerful rand. Car. You know you can't have. You can't say this now. Okay. Now you make you what they hold me. They check me. They hold me your poor. Okay, fine. Okay, but because of this nonsense they keep me. Wait a minute, because of this nonsense for the
no, I'm sorry.
No, me. All man will get up.
No, I'm sorry. I slapped and I threatened you now. I'm sorry now. Okay, take the money. I'll wait now. I'm sorry. Come now. Sorry.
I mean the whole the whole me.
Oh, you're no vex now. I'm sorry, but you know I have a hot temper now. You know I have a hot temper. Why did you call me on the phone in the first place? What were you expecting? That I would come here and I'll be clapping for her? Was that what you were expecting? You know I have hot temper. Why did you call me?
Okay, hot temper. You know, they tell me like, madam, hot temper. No, clap for yourself now. No, clap. You just carry your hand. Clap for yourself. You don't walk up now. Now walk up, you carry Zubby. See, I'm carry her. Carry the walk up when you win. I said, madam, hot temper. Says he just kill come now. Keep us in daughter. Keep us in daughter. We just finish service for nothing. He just tell me say hot temper. No, you don't happy. Say you don't happy. You happy. Carry your walk up and they go. See, I don't put here. They go my post.
Hey! Listen, don't try it. I dare you to leave this place right now. Look, see what I'm going to do. I am going to take the phone and I will send a text to Michael and the police. I will tell them that his gate man, John Paul, has been using dangerous weapons to threaten his guest than I in this house. And after I send that message, I will kill myself right here.
Hey!
You know what that means, right? The police will come after you with Michael, and you know what that means for you. That means you've killed 2 people. I'm calling Michael. You and I are in this mess together. Michael is calling me. Shut up, you two, shut up. Hello?
Hello, baby. Are you at work? I'm around your office.
Oh, no, sweetie, I'm not around. I've actually left for my marketing rounds. In fact, as we speak, I'm in your house right now.
You are in my house. Are you for real?
Yes. I came to get something I forgot the last time I was here. Yes, but I'll soon be on my way out though. Yes.
Huh. Now for you. Shit.
Babe, did you just curse? Why are you cursing? Did you hit someone?
No, I forgot to tell you about the stranded couple I helped last night. She slept in my guest room.
Oh, babe. Come on, babe. Is that why you're cursing? You said she was stranded, so that means it's a case of charity. That's fine, my love. That's okay.
Yes, I left her in my house this morning before going to work. She said she'll be leaving soon. I don't know if she has left or not.
Eh? No, I didn't meet her. No, I didn't see anybody here. When I got here, the house was locked. In fact, I had to use my spare key to enter. I didn't see anybody. Oh, well, on my way out, I'll ask John Paul. He should know everything.
Sorry, I forgot to tell you last night.
You're coming?
Who did that?
Jesus.
Madam. Okay. Yeah? This one will your face be like this. Scorpion, scratch your pant. I mean, Abby, Okoro Jibo.
God punish you. Your mother. That's Abby Korokona Jibo. God punish you. You're stupid. Idiot. Fool. Why can't you ever say it makes sense? Why must you always say rubbish? Why? Even in this case that we're in a deep shit, you're still talking nonsense. Listen, Michael is on his way back to this house. So we better think of what to do right now.
Madam, this is the problem. You are people.
No. Yes, I have something. Yes.
What did that?
Wait, I'm coming. Just wait. Here.
You won't run through backyard. Now, you won't run now. You can even from. Shut up,
I'm not a fool like you, George. Shut up. I'm coming out to get something. Stay here. Don't move an inch. Money. Take this thing. Clean, use it to wipe all the blood. Wipe it, use it to wrap her. Let me bring the car closer to the house. Take.
See message. See another message. You see message which coming. Never had
no be more. Ewa tami gudisi, akwacha no makati eroko kaki.
Baby! Deborah!
What is going on? She collected money from me. Is the bike man making trouble with her? That must be a case to justify her mood when she came back earlier. The faulty bike story must be some kind of lie from her, not to spoil my own mood needlessly. Baby. You should have told mommy everything so I can show the fool, the tigress he dared to toy with her daughter. This is no longer funny. She is still nowhere to be found this far down the road.
Mama, good evening.
What is going on? Okay. Are you also looking for Deborah?
Yes, I'm looking for Deborah. And what do you mean by am I also looking for Deborah too? Huh?
Her friend Ijoma here met me down the road while she was looking for her too.
I don't get it. Ijoma.
Deborah came to my house and asked me to give her a cup of water to drink. She was putting on her copper uniform. I went inside, got the water, came out, and Deborah was nowhere to be found.
Hey! 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 You're not making any sense to me. Deborah came home without her luggage and told me that the bike that was bringing her home developed fault close to the house and that she needed 200 naira to make up money to pay him and get her luggage. I gave her the money. She left and never came back till now.
Hey!
How could she end up in your compound that is down the other end of the road and start asking you for water to drink? Huh? Hey!
Confusing indeed.
Yes.
Okay. She was also on Copper's uniform when she came to the house.
Yes, of course. Come on. Does it mean that none of you saw Deborah nor the bike man that she spoke about anywhere from our junction to this place?
No. And the two people we met before we saw you said they didn't see her too.
Hey.
Come. Is this some kind of prank from both of you to see how I will react to it?
Okay, stop. Stop it, please. Prank? How do you even imagine that I'll be part of such prank? I said that I gave Deborah 200 naira to settle the bike man. And you hear Ijoma, her friend, saying that she came to her compound. No. No. Deborah! Debbie, where are you? Hey! Debbie! Hey! Hey!
Come on,
Hey!
There's nobody to that.
Oh, Timo.
You know, let us go back to the compound.
Hey!
It could be that somehow two of you missed each other along the road. And she's now in the compound looking for you too.
If that is the case, why is her phone switched off? I've been trying to call her, but...
Woman, enough. Let's go back. Maybe she
Are you sure you saw Deborah? My Deborah, are you for real?
Yes, I saw her. In fact, I actually even came here to tell you that she has forgiven me. Yes, she even asked me to go make noodles for her. She said she was going to pick up something from one of her kinsmen for the person's parents in the village.
To pick something from one of her kinsmen?
Yes.
Do you know the person?
No, she didn't mention any name to me.
This is strange, right?
How do you mean?
She was here. Right here. She was standing here when I was apologizing to her, and she said she has forgiven me. And she also told me to tell you that she has forgiven you also.
Yes, she told me that.
Strangely, when I tried to embrace her, she vanished.
Jesus!
Then I woke up.
A dream?
Yes. A dream. Just a little dose of fear and... Come. Did you say you saw my Debbie? Are you sure you saw Debbie? Deborah, are you for real?
Would I be lying to you? Hold on. Maybe if you're doubting me, let me call her.
Phone is switched off.
Called her?
I've been calling her line since I woke up from that sleep and it has been ringing switched off.
I just hope nothing is wrong with her.
going on?
She asked me to make noodles for her.
Akwachano maka tiere ọkụka gị ije ụwa m ọka mụ na ije ụwa si je mụ na ije ụwa si je ewu m ọchị ọka mụ na ije si je ọka mụ na ije ụwa si je mụ na ije ụwa si je ewu m ọchị onye mmiri agba m ọka mụ na ije ụwa si je mụ na ije ụwa si je ewu m ọchị chinwe ogbenye ị na-anụ olu m chimụ ajụjụ ka m chọrọ ịjụ gị ịnọzikwa mee kedu ka nke m si dịzi iche ọka mụ na ije ụwa si je mụ na ije ụwa si je ewu m ọchị ọka mụ na ije ụwa si je mụ na ije ụwa si je ewu m ọchị
Jump ball! 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 Where is this fool that calls himself my gate man? Jump ball! Maureen Sky is not even here. I thought she said she's at home. Jump ball! Jump ball! Jump ball! Which I was correct by saying no. What nonsense! And as for Maureen, I told you I don't like Frank, so you will explain to me the meaning of this nonsense. blood in my house. What? How?
He's inside.
You see, God,
Shut up. You talk too much.
She goes, I
said shut up. Hey, God.
Baby, listen. What is the meaning of this? Stop. You're embarrassing us. We have invested 5 years in this relationship. It's 2 weeks to our wedding and you're saying it's over? How? Why? Did I cheat on you? Did I beat you? What have I done wrong?
Just go. It's over, please. Just go. I don't want to be in the relationship anymore. I don't want the marriage anymore.
Maybe you can't just wake up and say it's over. What happened? Okay, listen.
Nothing.
Let's go home and talk.
I don't want to go to your house. Please, just go. Go. Please, let me go.
Please, I'm begging you. Stop. Okay? Relax, okay? Okay, let's go home and talk this over. Baby, listen, calm down. Let's go home and talk this over, okay? Please. Okay? Please.
Okay.
Please, please. We can talk things over, please. This is not necessary, I beg you. If it's a prank, stop it. Thank you.